Welcome to English Every Day. I'm really glad you're here, Ku. Let's get started.
Let me tell you something most English learners don't realize. You can study for years. You can know all the grammar rules and still sound awkward in small talk.
That's true. And honestly, this is exactly why so many conversations die after 10 seconds. Not because your English is bad, but because it doesn't sound natural.
If you've ever answered with just good or fine, and then felt that uncomfortable silence, like you didn't know what to say next,
You're not alone. Almost every English learner goes through this.
and the good news is, it's not about learning harder English.
It's about learning how real conversations actually work.
So if small talk feels stressful, fake, or forced, stay with us. This episode is for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
We're really glad you're here today.
If you want to sound more natural and confident in English, you're in the right place.
Most learners think small talk is about asking the right questions.
Like, how was your weekend?
It was good. Conversation over.
And honestly, this is exactly why so many conversations die after 10 seconds. Not because your English is bad, but because it doesn't sound natural.
Here's the real problem.
Small talk isn't about perfect English.
It's about connection. Tip number 1. Short answers kill conversations.
Mistake number 1, answering with just one word.
How was your weekend? Good.
That closes the door.
Now listen to this. Pretty good, actually. I stayed home and watched a movie.
One small detail changes everything.
Mistake number 2. Asking empty questions.
How's the weather?
It's really cold today, isn't it?
Now it feels human.
You're sharing something, not interviewing someone.
Mistake number 3, trying too hard.
You don't need fancy words.
Simple English is strong English.
Any plans for the weekend? Not much, just relaxing. How about you?
That's real conversation.
Mistake number 4. You answer, but you don't react.
That's nice.
That's nice. I didn't expect that.
Reaction shows interest, and interest keeps people talking.
Tip number 5. Use soft fillers to sound natural.
Soft fillers.
Well, actually, honestly,
These words give your brain time, and they make your English sound human.
mistake number 6. Staying too neutral.
Small talk isn't a report.
Instead of saying, I worked,
I worked a lot today. I'm a bit tired.
one emotion, one feeling, that's enough. Tip number 7. Ask open follow-up questions.
Yes/no questions kill momentum.
Did you like it?
What did you like about it?
Open questions invite stories.
Tip number 8. Match the other person's energy.
If someone is calm, slow down.
If they're excited, show energy.
Small talk is a dance, not a speech.
Here's a big one.
Silence is not a failure.
A short pause is normal.
You can say, anyway, or so yeah, and continue naturally.
Final tip.
You don't have to escape small talk.
Well, I should get back to work.
It was nice talking to you.
That's clean, that's professional, that's natural.
Try this today.
Instead of saying just, fine,
Good, just a bit tired today.
that's enough to keep the conversation going. Here's a bonus tip.
End with a bridge.
I watched a movie last night.
Oh, nice. What kind of movie?
Good small talk leaves the door open.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this in the comments.
How was your day today?
Use more than one word.
Practice a little every day
Speak simply.
and enjoy the conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.